Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok no network connection using Android. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. There might be times when you receive no network connection error message while operating TikTok app. So in that case, here are some easiest troubleshooting and the most common solution to the problem. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to an internet and also make sure that the internet you are using is stable. Turn off any VPN if you are using one, and since the VPN connections network can interfere with your Wi-Fi, simply go ahead and close it off. And the next thing to do is to check if there is any updates available for TikTok. Simply tap open Play Store and in the search bar, search for TikTok. Once you do that, if you see an update button right next to the TikTok app, it means you'll need to update your application right away. Give it a tap to update the application or to download the latest update for the app. And once you are done with the update, go ahead and check if that fixes your issue. Tap open your TikTok app. Now see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to clear your app cache on your Android phone. Simply go ahead and find the TikTok app from the app drawer. Press hold the TikTok app and tap on App Info. From the App Info page, tap Storage. Tap the Clear Cache button at the bottom right, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to clear out your cache data from your TikTok app. Also, clear your browsing data by tapping on Clear Data at the bottom left, and make sure that you remember your TikTok account's credential to get logged in back again, since doing this will log you out of your TikTok app. Tap on OK, and as soon as you do that, launch Open TikTok app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could go through whenever your TikTok shows no network connection error. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.